These children are learning Cambodia's famed Khmer classical dance, performed to traditional music. Well known for its graceful hand gestures and stunning costumes, the 1,000-year-old art form is facing an existential threat. Enrollment in the Secondary School of Fine Arts in Phnom Penh is falling, and many entrants do not complete the grueling 9-year curriculum.
ឥឡូវហ្នឹងវាចិត្តអារម្មណ៍ខ្ញុំចេះភ័យខ្លាចម៉ាត់នឹកឃើញតែទូបីថាគេគិតខ្ញុំអត់ខ្វល់ទេខ្ញុំចេះតែមកទៅដើម្បីជួយគ្នាឲ្យបានក្បាច់នឹងតទៅមុខទៀតណាហើយខ្ញុំបានប្រាប់កូនអស់នេះខ្ញុំថាឲ្យខំប្រឹងទៅព្រោះខ្ញុំវាថាលើកជើងលើកដៃវាលែងចង់រួចអស់ហើយ